Hello, fellow adventurers. Get ready to embark on an exciting 2-day journey from the bustling city-state of Singapore to the vibrant heart of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Our adventure kicks off with a comfortable bus ride with El Tabina bus that we booked from easybook.com. Bus ride offered scenic views as we cross the border and head towards our destination. It's the perfect way to relax and anticipate the wonders ahead. Upon arrival, we checked into the magnificent Dorset Kuala Lumpur, a true urban oasis. Its elegant lobby and welcoming atmosphere immediately made us feel at home. A stay at Dorset Kuala Lumpur places you in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, within a 15-minute walk of Pavilion Kuala Lumpur and Berjaya Times Square and all other eateries nearby. The hotel's breakfast spread was an absolute delight, featuring a wide array of local dishes like nasi lemak and international dishes like bread jam, eggs, variety of sweets, juices, tea, coffee, etc., along with live counter for other foods to fuel our day of exploration. And what better way to unwind after a long journey than a refreshing dip in their stunning swimming pool, offering fantastic city views. Our first major stop was the iconic KL Tower, soaring high above the city, providing breathtaking panoramic views of Kuala Lumpur's sprawling landscape. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the city's blend of modern marvels and lush greenery. It's an unforgettable sight. Day 2 began with an awe-inspiring visit to the Batu Caves, a magnificent limestone hill housing a series of caves and cave temples. Climbing the 272 steps to the main temple cave was an adventure in itself, rewarded by stunning shrines and intricate Hindu deities within. The sheer scale and spiritual ambience of Batu Caves make it a truly unique and must-visit destination in Kuala Lumpur. Next, it was time for some retail therapy. Kuala Lumpur offers an incredible shopping experience, from high-end malls to vibrant street markets. We explored Pavilion Kuala Lumpur, a premier shopping destination known for its diverse range of international brands and exquisite dining options. The vibrant street markets, on the other hand, offered a treasure trove of local crafts, souvenirs, and delicious street food. It's the perfect place to find unique gifts and immerse yourself in the local culture and flavors. Our 2-day getaway was packed with incredible sights, delicious food, and unforgettable experiences. From the comfort of our bus journey to the luxury of the Dorset Hotel and the cultural richness of KL Tower and Batu Caves, Kuala Lumpur truly delivered. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or just a quick escape, this city has something for everyone. We hope this vlog inspires your next quick getaway to Kuala Lumpur. Happy travels!